Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Air-fried foods may be healthier than deep-fried foods in several ways. They are lower in fat, calories and even some potentially harmful compounds that are found in traditionally fried foods. Summary: air-fried foods are lower in fat, calories and acrylamide than deep-fried foods, making them the healthier option.
Take our lead.
While air fryers reduce the likelihood of acrylamide formation, other potentially harmful compounds could still form. Not only does air frying still run the risk of creating acrylamides, but polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and heterocyclic amines can result from all high-heat cooking with meat.
Take our lead.
The downside: air frying also produces high temperatures at a very rapid rate, thus making it extremely easy to burn food. And charred food may be carcinogenic. In addition, Kakuza adds, because most devices cook 1 to 3 pounds of food at a time, it can be challenging to air fry meals for a large family.
Take our lead.
Whether boiled, poached, or grilled, the veggies and meats you love can lose 40% or more of their healthy assets when cooked. However, because an air fryer keeps the surface of the food dry and cooks with circulating hot air, this process ensures your food retains more of its key nutrients.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.